Kia ora, ko Rebecca Stott toka ingoa. My broad experience in water-related research and consultancy spans across three waters, and I'm particularly interested in the health-related risks from waterborne diseases since my PhD, which led to an update of the WHO guidelines for safe wastewater reuse. My expertise lies in understanding the movement, persistence, and risks associated with microbial contaminants, with my work focusing on the four bulleted points in the slide. And these interests have provided valuable work experiences in the UK, South America, the Middle East, Pacific Islands, and also here in New Zealand. A key element of my work is understanding how microbes are mobilized differently through catchments based on their sources and their connectivity with pathways. And these dynamics influence water quality for raw source waters, which can shift significantly due to hydrometeorological conditions. Rapid detection of microbial contaminants is, however, also important, and I was the first person in New Zealand to test Choliminder, an automated sensor for detecting microbial contamination within 15 minutes. And findings from a survey of water operators, including those in New Zealand, regarding the adoption of rapid water quality monitoring systems has recently been published in Water Research. I have had the privilege of working on several projects that integrate scientific research with community-led water management, which has emphasized to me the important linkages between water use, wastewater management, and also participatory science. In collaboration with 12 iwi, my work focused on understanding water supply use and wastewater generation on marae, which informed the Auckland Council design guidelines for on-site treatment at marae and Papakāinga, and also precipitated the upgrading of marae water infrastructure with our iwi partners to reduce leakage and loss. Working with iwi to develop wastewater treatment systems that align with tikanga Māori was a key outcome, demonstrating approaches that integrate Mātauranga Māori and science. In Fiji, I worked with women in water quality testing to identify sources of water contamination. In one village, contamination of a bore supply led to redrilling to upgrade the bore, but also required education to improve filtration practices for household contamination as part of water safety plans. A major aspect of this work was introducing low-cost water testing methods. As a participatory tool, enable people to see the unseen, in this case, the microbial risk present in their water supply. And this participatory approach proved essential in driving community-led improvements to water and wastewater management and was translated into a guideline for Fiji. More recently, my specific expertise is using modelling approaches, bringing together a range of parameters and distributions to inform decision-making in water management, such as what log reduction is required during treatment to minimise the risk of illness to below tolerable levels, for example, from wastewaters discharged into receiving environments. And I've applied these methods to pathogens like norovirus, Campylobacter, and Cryptosporidium, using Monte Carlo sampling from statistical distributions to capture that uncertainty, as shown in this animation. And outcomes have helped clients to understand the risks and also refine treatment strategies to safeguard public health. So that provides a very quick overview of what I've been doing for the last 2 or 3 decades. Thank you for watching. Ngā mihi nui.